guys, it's Ohwge and welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you guys know, it's Pride Month and there are rainbows everywhere, rainbow looks all over the place, and I decided to do something different. So instead of doing just one rainbow look, I decided to break the rainbow down into all its colors and do one color per day for the next couple of days in like a little series. So I'm going to be creating monochromatic looks using each color. So yeah, let's get right to it. Okay guys, so I already did my brows off camera just to save some time, and since this is the first day, I am going to be starting with red. We all know the colors of the rainbow, and red is first. You can see my shirt. I'm ready to go. So let's get right to it. I'm just going to use my LGBTQ Pro concealer. This shade is pure beige, and I'm going to prime. I'm just going to take this damp beauty blender and pat the concealer. To start off, I'm going to take this bright red here. I'm just going to pat it on my lid. That's quite some fallout. I don't think I've ever used red like this before, so this is interesting. We have the red down now. Next, I'm going to take this kind of neutral palette. I'm going to take this shade here, and I'm going to go over the edges to kind of smoke it out a little. So now I'm going to try and blend that all together some more. I'm going to take this shade here. Next up, liner. I'm going to use this Inglot liquid liner. Next, I'm just going to brush out my lashes real quick. I'm using this ADS Colossal Volume Mascara. So I've done my lashes now. I'm just going to move on to my face. So real quick, I'm just going to wipe off the fallout from under my eyes using this micellar water. Okay, so to prime, I'm using this Classic Makeup Perfect Mattifying Face Primer. For foundation, I'm using my Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation in the shade Golden Tan. I'm taking my damp beauty blender to conceal my LGBTQ Pro concealer in the shade Pure Beige. Again, you want this to dry down a little bit before you blend. My Sacha Buttercup setting powder. To contour, I'm using this Forever Flawless pressed powder. This shade is Warm Cocoa. So I'm just going to dust off this powder real quick. So now I'm going to take this Inglot pressed powder. Okay. Now I'm going to go back into this palette. I'm taking this red again for my lower lash line. Next, bottom lashes. For my lips, first off, I'm going to line them with this Malva pencil. This is actually a brow pencil, but you already know the drill. To fill in my lips, I'm going to take this Evil Queen matte from the ColourPop Disney collection. Okay, so I'm going to do something a little extra. So I'm going to take this ultra glossy lip, which is also from the Disney Villains collection. This is Bad Apple. So I'm going to add a little. Now, to highlight, my baked bronzer from Milani. I'm going to top that up with this baked blush goddess from Beauty UK for a little extra. Finally, one of this challenge done with the red monochromatic look. Usually I'm a bit skeptical when it comes to using a single color for my whole face because I feel like it's a little too much, but I mean, why not, you know? So shout out to everyone out there who is out and proud. It's a very bold move, so this is for you. I think red is a very bold color, so it is definitely appropriate for this video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, leave me a nice little comment in the comment section. If you haven't already, do turn on bell notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. And of course, be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next look, which will be orange. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.